What's the weather like today? It's raining.
This afternoon it'll be cold, wet and windy across most of
Weather. W-E-A-T-H-E-R. Weather. What's the meaning of weather? The state or condition of the atmosphere with respect to wind, temperature, moisture, etc. Are there any proverbs with weather? Yes. Roosters flying high indicate fair weather. Keep a weather eye on something. What about the lexical field of weather? Oh yes, there are some words. Weatherman, weatherbout, weathercock.
maybe a few dry.
Great. Are there any synonyms? Yes. Climate, atmospheric conditions, climate. Now, how do you say weather in Spanish and Galician? In Spanish is tiempo atmosférico. In Galician is tempo atmosférico.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny